Hey guys, so today I'm going to organize my kitchen. It's a rainy Sunday. Here's Case. Say hi, Case. Hi, Case. And there's some things that I've been needing to do for a long time. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. So I wanted some wooden accents in my kitchen because I love the classic white and wood. You can see that I have white cabinets in my kitchen, and I really wanted to just put some wood accents in there to organize a lot of my spices and pots and pans. I got this bamboo Lazy Susan to put some of my olive oils and cooking supplies on. I got this bamboo drawer organizer for our silverware drawer, which is a mess. And I have a ton of spices, so of course I got a bamboo spice rack to take care of that problem. And then I got this, which was really cheap on Amazon, to try to organize our pots and pans. So we're just gonna get started. So I thought I should show you guys the state of the union before I start to organize. So here's what our cabinet, our pan cabinet looks like right now. I'm hoping to make it a lot more organized. It needs to be cleaned. So up here, this is our spice cabinet as of right now, and anybody who knows me knows that I cook a lot, and most of the time I'm just digging around trying to get the right spices, and it's not very convenient. So hopefully today we'll clean that out and fix that as well. Also I want to put the Lazy Susan up there and just organize a little bit better. Here's what our silverware drawer looks like. So yeah, so everything's not too terribly awful. I'm just kind of wanting to organize and get everything nice and clean since it is springtime and we're also quarantined and it's raining outside. So yeah, we'll just get started. So I got everything organized. I had a few spices that were outdated and that just needed to be thrown out. So, and I still had a lot of spices left over and they all didn't fit. So I had to just put some in the pantry, but it worked out fine. This little Lazy Susan is really nice because I can put all of my vinegars on there, the cooking, just cooking supplies and all of my olive oils and stuff like that, and it's really nice because you can turn it. I bought wasn't big, or it was too big. These pans were too long and too tall for it, even though I measured and thought I got it right, but maybe next time. So I ended up just using it for my big pans that I used to cook with. So, which those need to be organized anyway. So yeah, everything's looking nice and clean. So here's the end result. We have these spice cabinets all nice and clean and organized. We have the silverware drawer that looks much better. And we cleaned out the pans and organized pots and pans. So everything is just clean and organized, and hopefully as time goes on, we'll just get everything exactly the way I want it. There's some other things I'd like to get done. I want to organize the pantry, organize the refrigerator. There's just a never-ending list of things to do, but thanks so much for watching this video and organizing and cleaning with me, and I'll see you guys next time.